Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today, I'll be showing you guys how to use Midjourney's AI Inpainting feature to edit your generated images on the fly. So Midjourney calls this feature in different things in different regions. According to their official announcement, we are going to get an editor that allows us to change parts of our created and generated images. In order to get the best out of this feature though, we'll have to edit about 20 to 50% of our image area. We can also get better results by changing things related to the original image rather than making completely different changes. So let's try and see how we can use this new Vary Region or Inpainting feature. So let's start by creating an image using the usual Imagine command. Here is the prompt I used. Feel free to use the same one I did in this video if you wish to follow along. As usual, let's wait for Midjourney to generate these images. Now that we have 4 stunning images, simply pick one that you like the most. Then upscale the one you chose by using this button. And there we go, we now have an upscaled image from Midjourney. So here is the new button introduced by Midjourney for Inpainting. It's called Vary Region. Clicking on the button opens up a window to edit the image. Simply drag and highlight the region that we wish to edit or change. I'm going to highlight this section, and once you're happy with your selection, click on the Submit button to see what happens. As you can see, Midjourney is creating another set of 4 images at our request. As you can see, the section I highlighted is changed depending on the images and prompt I gave it, while the rest of the image still stays the same. As you can clearly see, this feature is quite powerful in editing certain parts of images. Now we're going to upscale a new image from another set of images. Let's try modifying this image again using the Inpainting Vary Region feature. This time, let's change another region. However, we can also specify what we want Midjourney to do with that highlighted area. Simply enable prompting using the remix mode. So to use that feature, just enable remix mode by using the -prefer space remix command. Now remix mode is enabled, let's upscale an image. Now after upscaling, click on the Vary Region button again. And now we have a new editable field with a text prompt, editing image area with text prompt. I'm going to change a section again, but this time I'm going to add a prompt myself. Once you're happy with your prompt and the selection, let's click on Submit again to see what happens. As usual, Midjourney is going to give us a new set of images, but there is now a drastic change to the section that we've highlighted with the prompt. This looks amazing, and we can even change a larger section of the image with a simple text prompt. And that's really all there is to using Midjourney's amazing new feature called Vary Image or Inpainting. If you have any other questions or inquiries, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one.